Yo, what's up, beautiful people? Thank you so much again for stopping by to the team, Brian. Today I'm so excited, guys. We are at 7,000 subscribers plus and counting. I really appreciate, guys, for really the kind of support that you have been showing me. I never imagined that I would get to either 1,000, not to talk about 7,000. That is really a challenge, and I think I should organize a party and meet one or few people of you guys and really have a good time together and appreciate. And yeah, I think I should plan and do that. Thank you so much again for those who have subscribed, and for those who have not subscribed. I really plead with you to click on that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like our videos, share our videos, comment down in the comment section, and I'm really going to appreciate. And for the subscribers who watch our videos daily, I thank you for your continued support. So guys, let's jump into today's series of business. And I think according to the title of our video, you can get it like, will you rather choose to pay 130,000 Kenyan shillings for a cleaner job, or pay 130,000 Kenyan shillings for a security job? Guys, I want us to have an honest talk, and don't get me wrong. When I say like cleaner and security, I'm not trying to compare the two jobs, or I'm not trying to say like one job is better than the other. What I mean that I want to discuss three major things. Number one is the privilege of working as a security and as a cleaner. Number two is the privilege, the salary part of it, the salary of a cleaner and a security. Number three is the worth of these jobs. Like, are you able to change from a job to another? Those are things that I want to discuss about today, and hope you will enjoy our videos, guys. So you want to come to Qatar to work, and you have identified this will apply for both countries. You have identified an agency. Then now you need a job in Qatar. There is this cleaner job and there is this security job. Now the agency is telling you security job is 130,000, cleaner job is 130,000. Guys, according to my own considered opinion, it's better to go for this security job because of many things. Yeah, I'm not saying that cleaners get paid well, even others than security, but it will depend on the company that you're working with. Mostly the cleaner salary is from 1,300 to 1,500. Security also is from 1,300 to 17 to 2,000 and to 2,200 to 2,500. And there's a lot of advantage of working as a security in Qatar, other than or rather than working as a cleaner in Qatar. So when you're choosing these, just weigh out your options. Sit down and think like, do I need to work as a cleaner or as a security? Which one should I go for? Because the agency maybe is asking for both, like the same cash, 130,000 or 100,000 in both jobs. So in my considered opinion, you should take the security job. I know cleaner jobs can't so fast. They come so fast. They just tells you within a week or two you have your visa, and within a month you've traveled. And like security takes some time because you have to undergo interview or anything. And both jobs, you don't really need a qualification. Yeah, of course, there are a lot of cleaners here who are qualified to work for more better jobs. I've seen cleaners with degrees, with diplomas, with really good experience, but because of the hurry to get a job, they work as a cleaner. Now, in security, what you need is maybe your height, little experience that you will show the agency, and the agency will, or during the interview, if they will conduct an interview. And like this now, you have the two jobs. They don't need really much experience. You don't need to show a lot of things. You don't need to show a lot of paperwork. Why can't you take this security? Because now, the environment of working, cleaner is really hot here. To come and clean physically, and the salary is kind of low. Than security, it's not really hard. A lot of securities is like sitting down and doing one or two things. Inspecting buildings, or working in hotel is more easier. Working in maybe a museum is more easier. Working in an apartment or a villa, it's more easier. In a park is a little harder. Working in a cinema, you know where security is, working hospital. I think like through working as a security, you gain a lot of experience depending on the field that you will work to, other than working as a cleaner. And working as a security also comes with advantages, like other than the experience, you feel like you have a say. And I feel like you can do a lot of things working as a security, and you can even change to more higher jobs more easily. I'm not saying like it's hard to change from a cleaner to a more higher job. I'm not ruling out that, guys. Yeah, I'm not ruling out that. But what I know is for a fact there's a lot of advantages or there's a lot of privileges that comes in working as a security than working as a cleaner. So as you are prepared to meet this agency, as you are prepared to pay this commission or to fly into the country, consider these things really, and they're really going to help you. Weigh part of it, like which one do you want and which one are you going to work to. In my advice, I will advise you to go for security job. Yeah, no matter how salaried it can be. For example, you're working as a cleaner with 14 and security at 13. Can go for security, guys, because there's a lot of advantages. Talk about tips, talk about privileges. For example, if you work in somewhere where you have to clear rollies or to clear people coming in and in, there's a lot of things that you are going to get and advantages. That is what I can tell you for sure. So when you're considering this, and another thing that really affects people is the patience. Somebody tells you, I've talked about it earlier, somebody tells you like cleaner will take a week for you to get your visa, security you will wait for a month. Why can't you wait for a month? Not only. So guys, I believe it's up to you really to decide like which opportunity should you take at the right time. Yeah, if you don't qualify for security, because they also need maybe height, maybe some skills, or maybe you think like you can not work as a security guide, okay, choose for cleaner. But if you feel like you can work as a cleaner or you cannot work as a cleaner, you can always give chance for this other side. And I'm not ruling out, there's a lot of opportunities also. There are cashiers, admin. So as you rush or as you plan to come to Qatar, you should not rush really. Give that agent time, talk to that agent, ask her or him, like ask him or her like which type of jobs do you have. Consider it. If you feel like you are qualified to work on a particular job or to work for a particular job, I think it's much good to take a position that you feel like you can grow much easily, that you can gather experience, that you can gain, you can get a lot of benefits and a lot of advantages. Guys, I believe I've really tackled this matter, I've tackled this topic of us today. And if you have any question, don't forget to ask me in the comment section, and I'm really going to appreciate for that. Like our videos, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm really going to appreciate. Guys, see you in my next video. Thank you.